slime and I bang it up. We banging a window. It's red and we pour it up. My diamonds, they glowing up. She waiting, she wanna fuck. Be patient, I'm counting up.
Alright, what is up guys? Stuff back here once again after a long hiatus because I didn't get anything in the mail for review, obviously. I mean, I bought a couple things, but that was, I don't know what the shipping delay is right now, at least in my experience, but this pair of shoes specifically and two other pairs that were shipped probably 2 weeks after. This pair was shipped in March, the next one. Alright, what is up guys? Stuff back here once again, and today we're going to be taking a look at these, I think these are called Hyper Royal or Hype Royal Jordan 1 highs. These are from YesKicks. If you're new to the channel, show some love, subscribe, drop a like, turn on notifications, and follow your boy on Instagram at RevStuffTV. It's been quite a while. Just a little disclaimer, by the way, educational purposes only. This video is for. It's not condoning buying any of these products. I don't condone buying any of these products. You guys do what you want with your money, like I do with mine, like I always say. So with that out of the way, let's get into it, man. These took quite a while to get here. They shipped in March, and then I had a package ship I think a week after, still not here as well, with two other pairs of shoes. So I'm not too sure what the shipping delay is, but kind of why I haven't really been making any videos lately. It's not because I haven't had stuff, it's just because I haven't bought too much stuff, and the shipping is taking a long time on the stuff that I have bought. So there's that little, disclaimer. Shipping may take a while depending on what you're buying and where you're buying it from, etc., etc. So let's get into it without further ado. Like I said, these are from my people over at YesKicks. So that's a website, email, WeChat, and if you use the code RevStuff for your first purchase with a new account on the website, you can save yourself $15 that way. So keep that in mind. Like I said, don't condone buying any of this stuff. You guys do what you want, though. At the end of the day, it is your money. So just showing you what you would get if you were to purchase from a site like this. Anyways, I digress. Let's get into it. Put the shoes to the side. Here is the box. Came a little bit mangled, no biggie. Overall, it's just a regular Jordan 1 box. Not gonna spend too much time on it. There's all that information. Keep in mind, these shoes are relatively new when they shipped to me, so there probably is better batches out there by now. So this is just the pair that I bought in March. Like, there's like the 22nd they actually shipped. Bought them in like on the 15th, probably, I want to say, something like that. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Jordan box, Jordan 1 box. Inside you got paper for the shoes. That's what the top looks like. And then you got some StockX stuff right here. Paperwork, and then a little sticker as well. So that's pretty much it for that box side. Here are the shoes themselves. They are not laced. So yeah. But as you can see, pretty clean. I'm recording without my light that I usually would have, like an overhead light. And I actually do kind of like it better, and it makes it easier for me. So let me know if you guys really notice a difference. Just less of a pain in the ass to get started and get recording. So yeah, in general, these shoes, I haven't really found any flaws with them, honestly. Like, stitching's correct, it's all straight all throughout. Quality's good. Like I said, this batch was from mid-March, so by now there might be a better batch of the shoe if this is the shoe you're interested in. So keep that in mind. Like, this material might be a little different, this and that, like small little things, right? So but yeah, overall does seem to look good. This has a weird feeling because of the material it's stamped on. I never really feel ones like that, usually just on flat, like black leather or whatever color leather, right? So this is kind of a suede material, I want to say, or nubuck. But yeah, so overall the shoe does look good. No glaring flaws, really. Even the glue is pretty neat, honestly, surprisingly. I mean, you can see a little bit of markage there at the seam, but beyond that, that is stuff you can very well see in retail pairs as well. So keep that in mind. Back shape looks good. Got the blue tag right here, branding, and then inside the shoe, ignore my thumb, I was picking the nail and I really snagged it there, so not fun. But here's a size tag as well. So yeah, man, make sure you guys run up the likes on this video for sure. Show some support, keep the channel going. Hopefully you know, I will be buying more stuff and shipping will be a little quicker so I can get more content out for you guys. Try my best, honestly. Like, usually there's never gonna be a delay on my channel because of me just being lazy or not uploading, unless there's something really serious going on. I always get reviews done like the day of me receiving the shoe or the clothes or whatever, or the next day, right? In this case, it's the next day or 2 days after. It's usually not much longer than that. So never gonna be a delay because of me, because of shipping times and gaps in between getting products. So that's pretty much it. Yeah, so I forgot to mention, pair of shoes comes with a white set of laces here, and then a blue set as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing crazy going on. I mean, there's not a whole lot I can talk about with the shoe. It's relatively simple. But again, a little bit more sloppy with the glue over here, but no biggie. It does come with the low StockX tag as well. So there's that. Verified authentic. Air Jordan. Yeah, man, that's pretty much it. Not a whole lot to talk about. Bottom is gray. Clean bottom. Leather feels good, materials feel good. Generally, a good shoe as per usual. No surprise with the YesKicks. I've been rocking with them for, I want to say like four years now probably, so not surprised. Sometimes you get misses and they're not as good, but usually it's a hit. So that's pretty much it for this video though, guys. If you're new to the channel, show some love, more content on the way, more heat on the way. Stay tuned. With that being said, I'm gonna let y'all go enjoy the rest of your day. Stay safe, stay blessed, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.